Hi there, if you're watching this means that you're an admin of a space on Eolas. This video walks you through all of the changes that have occurred to the web or desktop version of Eolas. When you first log in, you may be met with this pop-up box, and it references local content versus external content. Local content is all the resources that you have uploaded to your space, so things like contacts, guidelines, SOPs, etc. Whereas external content references the Knowledge Hub, which we manage. So if I select my department here, I will then be logged into my space as normal. So you will still be met with the admin panel view, which hasn't changed. If I click onto the home button here, I can then see the trust space and the departmental space. So this merge replaces the department and hospital tab, which used to live over here. The other thing that you'll notice is that the Knowledge Hub has moved from the left-hand panel out into the main area. But don't worry, all of the settings that you had previously agreed to in terms of the calculators that are enabled have stayed the same. Further changes to the left-hand side panel include the notification center, so that has been moved from the top right-hand corner into the left-hand panel. You will also be able to find our user guide, which will soon be called Help and Support, via Settings. As you know, the user guide is where you're able to find all of our support, articles, and frequently asked questions. The switch spaces, which used to be down here, has moved to this right-hand corner. So if I select this, I can then switch into another departmental space, which may be listed here if I'm a member, or back into the trust space. The other major change, which you may have already noticed, is that the search bar has been merged with Ask Eolas. This means that it's much easier to log into a space and ask Eolas a question. You can, of course, still choose which sources that Ask Eolas searches from. So if I select this icon over here, I can then choose which content sources, and the same pop-up box appears. If you prefer to use simple search, simply log into your departmental space as normal, head to the relevant section and search. You can also find the simple search if you ask Eolas a question and then select simple search at the top here. And that's it. We'd love to hear your feedback, so please contact hello@eolasmedical.com.